Hi, I'm going to talk about rounding decimals. In order to be able to round, you have to understand place value. So let's review place value. So right here, this is the hundreds place. This is the tens. This is the ones. This is the decimal. This is the tenths, the hundredths, and the thousandths. Now, in order to round, you're first going to have to be able to identify the place value that you're working with. So first, find the place value. So if it's talking about rounding it to the tenths, you need to be able to identify the number that's in that tenths place. And then I want you to find what I'm going to call the bully. And the bully is going to be pushing this number around. And the bully is always just to the right of the place value. The bully is to the right. And if the bully is a 5 or higher, it's going to push the number up. 5 or higher pushes up. 4 and lower does nothing. And I know that some people want to think 4 and lower pushes down. No, 4 and lower does nothing. It's not going to change anything. 5 or higher is going to push up. All right, let's do some problems with this. What is 85.4 rounded to the nearest whole number? So we're rounding it to the whole number, which is the ones digit. We're rounding it to this guy. So right here, this is the number that's going to be dealt with. Now, who's the bully? This is my bully. Now, is the bully going to push the 5 up, or is the bully going to do nothing to the 5? Well, this is a 4 or lower. The bully is a 4 or lower, so he's going to do nothing. So when this rounds, it rounds to 85. Next one. We first have to identify the correct place, and then figure out our bully, and figure out what the bully is going to do to the place. Let's try, what is 3.77 rounded to the nearest tenth? To the nearest tenth. Well, here's my tenth. Here's my bully. And what is the bully going to do to that tenth? Well, the bully is a 7. And 7, well, that's higher than 5. So the 7 is going to push the other number up. So the 7 is going to push the other 7 up to become an 8. What is 2.25 rounded to the nearest tenth? Let's look at this. There's my tenth, and here's my bully. The bully is a 5. So what does he do? A 5? Does a 5 do nothing? Or does a 5 push the other number up? A 5 pushes the other number up, so it's going to go to a 2.3. That's a decimal right there, 2.3. A little hard to see. All right, that's it for that one.